Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps, where we make technology simple and fun. Today, we're diving into part 1 of our keyboard shortcut series for Windows 11. This video is perfect for beginners who want to save time and work smarter, not harder. Let's start with 10 essential shortcuts that will make your everyday tasks way easier. Ready? Let's go. Shortcut 1, Ctrl-C, copy. This is the classic copy command. Highlight any text or file, press Ctrl and C, and boom, you've copied it. Next, we have Ctrl-X. It's like copying, but it removes the original item. Think of it as cutting out a piece of text or file to move somewhere else. Shortcut 3, Ctrl-V, paste. Now to paste whatever you copied or cut, use Ctrl-V. Just place your cursor where you want it, press Ctrl and V, and there it is. Shortcut 4, Ctrl-Z, undo. Made a mistake? No worries. Use Ctrl-Z to undo your last action. It's like having a magic oops button. Ctrl-Y, redo. And if you change your mind again, press Ctrl-Y to redo what you just undid. It's super handy. Ctrl-A, select all. Want to highlight everything at once? Use Ctrl-A. This selects all the text or files in a window in one go. Shortcut 7, Alt-Tab, switch apps. Juggling multiple apps? Press Alt-Tab to quickly switch between open windows. Just hold Alt and tap Tab until you find the app you need. Windows D, show desktop. Need to quickly minimize everything and get to your desktop? Use Windows D. Press it again and all your windows will pop back up. Shortcut 9, Windows E, File Explorer. Want to access your files instantly? Press Windows E to open File Explorer. No need to search for it anymore. Shortcut 10, Windows L, lock screen. And finally, for quick security, press Windows L to lock your screen. Perfect for when you step away from your computer. And there you have it, 10 essential Windows 11 shortcuts to get you started. These are perfect for beginners, and trust me, they'll save you so much time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 2, where we'll cover even more powerful shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.